Hey everyone, one of the most feature-rich and powerful robot vacuum cleaners on the market right now is the Dreame X50 Ultra. Vacuuming is no longer the only use for this device. It provides a genuinely comprehensive experience. It automatically refills its own water supply and detergent, cleans and dries its own mop pads, and manages both dry and wet cleaning with ease. The X50 Ultra is actually one of the most convenient devices in its class because it is made to run for extended periods of time with little assistance from the user. The station itself has many features, including the ability to charge, vacuum dustbins, rinse mop with hot water, and dry with warm air. Clean water, filthy water, and cleaning solution are all stored in 3 different tanks. Using LiDAR and a front-facing camera, the robot recognizes rooms and things including carpets, wires, shoes, and even dogs during its initial launch. It also performs a dry cleaning without the use of mop pads. It can clean hard floors almost flawlessly thanks to its new 20 kilopascal suction power, which is an increase over the previous generation's 12 kilopascal. Even on high-pile carpets, the X50 Ultra does a great job. It collected almost all of it with little residue in a controlled test using 81 grams of fur and debris. Tests using ketchup, dried coffee, and soil on textured tiles showed that the robot could remove stubborn stains with several passes, making wet cleaning equally amazing. It may remove common dust and stains in 1 or 2 passes when used at home. Floor cleanliness is reasonably maintained by the twin rotating mop system, one of which extends toward corners and edges. It's great for everyday upkeep, but it won't take the place of thorough hand washing, particularly in tile grout lines. Every 12 square meters, the vacuum automatically returns to the base to clean its mops with hot water and completely dry them. As long as the filthy water tank is routinely emptied, no unpleasant odors remain. Avoiding obstacles is another advantage. The robot can accurately identify and avoid items like wires and socks thanks to LiDAR and AI-powered vision. These regions are even highlighted on the map. The vacuum, however, avoids more impediments on the floor, which somewhat lowers the overall cleaned area. There are many smart features, with the ability to establish zones, timetables, adjust the frequency of mop cleanings, and control carpet identification. The Dreame Home app offers extensive control. The robot's Matter protocol integration and voice assistant compatibility provides smooth smart home automation. Additionally, the app has a camera option for remote home monitoring. The vacuum has changed physically. The dual roller brush technology it currently employs enhances pickup efficiency. For convenience, the mops and top lid are magnetically fastened. Its retractable wheel system allows it to climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters. However, there are certain restrictions. The cost comes first. Significantly, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete costs about $1,400. Nonetheless, it is a flagship product designed to virtually automate your cleaning process and replace a number of cleaning tools. Second, despite the robot's intelligence, if it overlooks small particles, manual app changes may be required. Third, there is a slight microfiber residue left over after wet cleaning, which is noticeable under certain lighting conditions, but is insignificant for the majority of users. In the end, the Dreame X50 Ultra is intended for people who wish to assign nearly all floor care duties around the house. It's an autonomous cleaning technology that significantly enhances daily life, not just a robot vacuum. This robot will not let you down if you value convenience and your budget permits it. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.